Okay, Faith, I'm recording.
Hi! Who's this to?
The grandma.
Hi, Grandma! Hi, Grandma!
Faith, sit him on the floor, see if he tries to crawl.
He can't crawl yet.
Almost. Here, sit him on the floor. I think he's getting tired of that anyway.
1, 2.
Faith, come on.
Say hi, Grandma. Bye, Grandma.
Sit him on the floor.
Okay. Whoa. Well, he can't curl.
He just jumps.
That's right. He just jumps.
Yeah, I jump.
I jump like a frog.
Lucas, what are you doing? Faith, put him back over. He's stuck there, please.
Okay.
Is Big Sissy helping you?
Echo, Bubby.
No, lay him on his tummy.
Oh.
Lucas, you are not cooperating.
Yeah, I can.
Lucas. Hi, Lucas.
Oh, I know the problem. He's on Sophie's. Here, you want your favorite toy? Your other favorite toy? Mommy put it somewhere.
Say patty cake, patty cake.
Can I unzip them? That way
No.
you'll laugh.
Why? Patty cake, patty cake.
Baker's man. Roll it. Put it in the oven for baby and Grandma and Lucas. He likes that.
They sit him up.
Set him on his butt.
Yeah.
Here, can I face him towards the camera?
Yeah.
There we go.
Say hello, Lucas.
Hello.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi. He's like a model.
Hi, sweetheart.
Yeah. When I was looking for a shirt, the first time I saw him, stomach, second time, nah.
Lucas, are you going to crawl? Are you going to crawl? Huh? Say, oh, Mom. Come on, mister.
He's a miler. Smile! Smile! Here, turn him towards the camera. No! Bam, bam. There you go. Smile! Smile!
Is Sissy talking to you?
Smile! No. I'm not having that in the picture. No.
Here, Faith, sit him on his knees if you can.
Here, hold on. Take all of his toys. So he didn't ruin his smile. Here you go. Go on your knees. Go on your knees, honey. Go on your knees. Yeah, he won't let me, Mom.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah, hold on. There we go.
Lucas.
Yeah, I'm kind of. Can he go? Here, let's just say you on your bottom.